Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So continue from the video I made earlier on changing your Instagram Reels thumbnail. Here's the part 2. So what are thumbnails? Just like I said earlier, thumbnails are the most attractive part of your video that you want to attract people, a hook. If you notice all this plus 18 content IG, they tend to put all these influencers videos, they tend to put a kind of catchy and attractive thumbnail that by the time you get to the video, it might not be something that the thumbnail is trying to attract. That's not what you even meet in the video. Something that more like a selling point. So for instance, this video here, this particular scene has a thumbnail, this scene here, in this to know is to be free. It's not in this video, it's just a snapshot. So here's what you do. Look at it. Can you see? Can you see? It's not there. So how do we achieve it? We achieve it in the sense that you save this video to your device. Look at it. You save this video to your device, and also you must have VLC player. So go and install VLC player if you don't have on your Android phone. You have VLC player. Where I'm using the phone version, although I did the web version earlier, but in the part 1 of this video. But one thing to note about the web version is that you can only edit that video on the particular day that you upload it. That's after editing. That's when you can now upload the thumbnail. But as far as Instagram is concerned, after a video has been uploaded, you can't do it manually on PC like that after some days, unlike the app whereby you have that option. So you go and download VLC player if you don't have that. Yes, VLC player. So I have my VLC player already. So you just you download it. You download it. Download. It's loading. So it should have downloaded by now. Let me go to my VLC player. Here's my VLC player. So my VLC player. So let me just go to where I save it, where it's going to be saved. So I just go to movies, go to Instagram. Okay, yes, so we have the video here. This is the video. So what you just do is I save the particular scene that you want in your video. The particular scene that you want. Let me play the video again, so don't escape it. Then pause it. You can pause it. Okay, let's say I want this particular scene. So I just tap out the screen and then screenshot. The same normal way you want to screenshot on your phone. You will hold the press the down button, down volume button and the power button. Then click on screenshots. So it has been screenshot that way. So what I just need to do is I go back to my Instagram, click on right to Instagram, come here. Click on edit. Edit. So here's the video. So I just go to click on, if I need to click on this place, it won't work. It won't work. Do you see? So I just go to add from camera roll. From camera roll, the screenshot I made, just click on it. Look at it and click on done. Save. Very simple. It has been saved this way. So if you go back, as you can see, I've already changed it. So that is exactly how to change your Instagram thumbnail. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it. Thanks for watching.